What's going on, gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mae Aubrianna in the flesh. Today we are going to go ahead and get into this press on tutorial. I have a lot to go over, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm setting up, cleaning my station off, just getting it real sanitized. I'm about to be doing a press on set for one of my good friends, and it's very much going to be something different and new. I love a little freestyle. This is the concept that we were having to do, and I'm giving you props to the original creator, so she knows that I definitely tried something. Step number one, I'm going to be going ahead and taking a picture that I told her to send me of her hand and a quarter, and I'm going to be accurately sizing her hand by using a quarter on my phone and sizing it that way. And it's kind of hard to do, but basically the only concept is getting all of the nail covered in the photo, that way it's the same fit in person. Now I'm going to be going in with my base gel. This base gel is by D&D. The cover is really scratched up and messed up. It's been used and abused, child, but that's the first thing I'm going to go in with. And yeah, you don't want to start anything before you do that. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Cura Sky polish. This polish is called Sugar High. It's a new base color and it's very, very cute. It kind of is a very neutral tone. I think it matches nicely with most tones of nails. I would say like light skin to brown skin women. I have other shades for my dark skin girlies too. Don't get it twisted. But for this step, we're going to be going in with Sugar High by Cura Sky. And I'm just going to make sure I evenly apply that on all the nails. Yes, real cute, real cute, real nice. Look at that color, y'all. Like, it's giving nude. And I went ahead and cured that up in my UV lamp. Next, I'm going in with a non-wipe top coat after I double coat it with the Sugar High before I go in and start doing designs. It's time for the designs, baby. But before we do that, you know, we got a top coat. It just has to happen. That's law for me. I love top coating before I do anything. And the reason being is because if you ever mess up your design, you can always just wipe it off with an alcohol wipe or anything like alcohol spray and just wipe it off. But the actual base, what's underneath the top coat, will not be affected at all. So I'm just going ahead and applying that, and I'm going to cure that right after I'm done. Now we about to get into these designs, girl. I got pink, I got orange, yellow, blue. Like, I'm just creating a whole little palette for y'all. These colors are by a brand called Honey Pan. She has wonderful ranges of colors. She's a little bit on the inexpensive side, and I'll leave her link in the bio with all the rest of these goodies that I'm showing y'all. I'm not gatekeeping, I promise, baby. All these stuff is going to be in the link below. I forgot to mention this before, but I'm going in with another color. This is not one of her nail art colors, but it is one of her polish colors. It is a Disco Gel number 3, I believe. Yes, Disco Gel number 3, and it's iridescent glitter. It's like holographic. If you like put flash over, it's gonna be so pretty. I'm going in for one of the Frenches with that. And yeah, don't mind the nails. I know they look a little gapish. I was running low on my top coat at the time, but I have another one that I was gonna finish it off with. So just trust the process. Okay, and so now we're all done with the French art designs. Now we're about to get into this more elaborate design on I believe that's the ring finger. Yes, the ring finger. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different design. It's going to be with blooming gel, so the art is going to more look like a crocodile stroke. When I tell y'all I was sweating trying to do this part, like I probably redid that nail like twice, maybe 3 times. I was not satisfied, but it got done, and by the end I was satisfied. And y'all, I'm looking at this content now and I'm seeing this little hair, but ignore the little hair on my rhinestone gel, y'all, please. But I'm going in now with my rhinestone gel, and I'm about to apply some gems around my glitter French on the middle finger. And it's just coming out so cute. Like, as I go through this set, I'm just loving it and loving it more and more. I'm looking at it right now as I like voice over this content, and I'm just like, I'm Google I am my work, because girl, it is so cute. I see what my friend was saying when she said she loved this set. It's coming out so good. And eventually I had to stop the cameras because my creative self was coming to a creative halt, and I just had to get some things done on my own accord. So now we're just back with the final results and get into them, girl. That is pretty. Like, yeah, I know y'all would love to wear some nails like this, and then they're extra long too. So most definitely this is the set for the baddies. Get into this final look, y'all. It is so stinking cute. Like, I'm just so in love. I wish I had recorded her like expression when she saw them. She loved these, and I love them too. I wish I would have made me a set. This is making me want to put some press-ons on. But y'all just tap in with me, get into these little final results while I just package it on up. This is so cute. Like, honestly, if you're looking to get some press-ons for just any event, tap that link in my bio. I'm gonna leave it for you guys and everything. But if you want to see more content like this, babe, go ahead and hit that link in the bio. Lord have mercy, what am I talking about? I'm not reviving this. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna leave my links in the bio. By the way, this is my business, so go ahead and tap in if you're looking to get some cute, snazzy press-ons. I do freestyles, I do customs, and I also make like some sets of my own that you can go ahead and just pre-buy.